Dear Xiaomi friends, today, we will introduce the installation and adjustment for Mijia Cross refrigerator. Before starting work, you need to prepare relevant tools, including anti-static pad, anti-static gloves, anti-static bracelet, plastic spudger, plastic pick, cross screwdriver, needle tip tweezers. Make sure the product is turned off before disassembly. There are two adjustable feet on each side of the bottom of the front of the refrigerator to adjust the height of the refrigerator. When the refrigerator shakes or the door body is uneven, you can refer to the following steps to adjust it. 1. Adjust the foot on the lower side of the door downwards and the foot on the higher side upwards, paying attention to the height changes of the door during the adjustment process. When the door is level, adjust both sides of the feet to touch the ground to prevent the refrigerator from becoming unstable. 2. If the height of the door body is still not completely level after adjusting the foot, remove the gasket from the instruction manual bag and insert it into the hinge shaft position on the lower side of the door body. Prepare a chair. The door hinge cover has 2 screws. Unscrew the screws to remove the hinge cover. Unplug the power cord of the hinge cover. Then loosen the 3 screws of the hinge. If it cannot be removed with a screwdriver, use a socket to remove it, so the door can be taken down. The right door of refrigerator chamber has been removed. Remove the left door of refrigerator chamber in the same way. Remove the door of refrigerator chamber first before disassembling the door of freezer. Disassemble the door of freezer and use a screwdriver to unscrew 3 screws. Remove the door of freezer upwards, and the right door of freezer has been removed. Remove the left door of freezer in the same way. Disassemble the lower hinge. Note, disassemble only when necessary. Assemble the lower hinge. During installation, insert the lower end of the freezer door into the hinge. Fix the hinge with 3 screws. During installation, insert the lower end of the refrigeration door into the middle hinge. Fix the 3 screws on the upper part of the door hinge. Insert the power cord of the hinge cover. Open the door of refrigerator chamber and insert the power cord card into the card. Assemble the hinge cover, and tighten the screws. The installation and adjustment of the refrigerator is thus completed. Thanks for watching.